All right, today is Tuesday. Remember, for our rhyming, I'll say it, you repeat, and then give me a thumbs up if it rhymes and a thumbs down if it doesn't. So, no. Yep, so and no rhyme. Good job. Like, bike. Yep, they end the same. Cup, dot. Nope, cup, dot do not rhyme. Deep, leap. Yep, they end the same. Jet, home. Jet and home do not rhyme. Okay, we're going to do onset fluency. Remember, I say 2 words and the sound it starts with, and then you repeat after me, okay? You, yes, yeah. Good. Be, ball, ba. Fall, feet, f. Kite, cake, k. Now, net, n. Okay, we're going to blend our words. Moonlight, moonlight. Strawberry, strawberry. Everything, everything. Fingerprint, fingerprint. Keepsake, keepsake. Okay, we'll do the medial sounds. T, an, a. G, et, e. B, in, I. P, ought, ah. Un, Good job. Okay, get your choppers out. Present the word and then chop it up. Blueberry, blueberry. Handbag, handbag. Newspaper, newspaper. Anyone, anyone. Waterfall, waterfall. Good job. Time to turn the page. Okay, I'm going to say a word. You say it. We'll add part and put it together, okay? Out. Add side at the end to make outside. Good job. Bed. Add a room at the end to make bedroom. Tea. Add pot at the end to make teapot. Cook. Add a book at the end to make cookbook. Down. Add town at the end to make downtown. Very good. Okay, now we're going to take part of our words away. Sidewalk. Take away walk. What's left? Side. Good. Ponytail. Take tail away. What's left? Pony. Doorbell. Take Bell away, what's left? Door. Mailman, take man away, what's left? Mail. Haircut, take cut away, what's left? Hair. Very good. Okay, and remember our nursery rhyme is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. It's hard to say it without singing it, so if you want to sing it, go ahead, and I will see you tomorrow.